Yeah. For tonight, so. Coming soon to theaters. Following previous touch point, always shows you most pictures of American Inc.
I see a journey. A man crossing the sands.
A night.
Warrior. Your paths will merge.
Raises the souls of the unspeakably evil.
You're sought to enslave all of High Forest. No man shall live in chains. Run from me, and I will tear apart the monster to find you. I will follow you to hell.
Following previous touch point, always shows you most pictures of American Inc.
Growing up, we all want to know the toughest kid in the neighborhood was, right? I want to know the toughest man on the planet is. That's what we're going to find out.
Brendan, it's me, Pop. Where are you going here?
Tommy's back.
Did he say if he wants to see me? I'm proud of you, Tommy. What you did for that kid will pay.
What was I supposed to do? Let him drown? Tommy Reardon, you saved my life. Look, Brendan, the bank has got to go by the new appraisal figures. You're upside down on your mortgage. How much do you need?
I didn't come in for long, Frank. I was hoping that you would train me.
Are you serious?
Do it! I thought we agreed that we weren't going to raise our children in a family. But your father gets beat up for a living.
Brendan, you're a teacher. You got no business in the ring with those animals.
Actually, I used to be one of those animals. Guess I've got to put that down on my application. There's this big tournament. Top 16 middleweights in the world. And when it takes all, I'm going to need a trainer. A
pose for that.
What's going on up here?
Daddy is now a princess. Mom needed you. I needed you. You're my big brother. You bailed on me. I was a 16-year-old kid. What the hell did I know?
You had a choice. Okay, you had a choice.
War hero Tommy Reardon, who has become an overnight sensation, and Brandon Conlon, the physics teacher, they pulled off a miracle.
Let's do this. What are you saying? I can do this.
You got him! This is impossible! The two men fighting for the championship tonight are brothers! Go on!
Are we here to win this fight? Because if we're not, I'll throw in the towel.
Warrior. Coming soon to a theater.
Get it
Fine
plugged in.
Central. I just so much pictures of American.
Good job figuring it out, Ryan.
Ready? Line it up. Here he goes back. You say go.
Sorry, I'm squeezing it.
You can't do this every morning. It's way too corny.
It's just today's 18. Smile.
I got it.
Pittsburgh police. This is an arrest warrant. You're under arrest for murder. Forget that Laura's your wife. Look at the evidence. I've seen the evidence. She's innocent.
It doesn't matter what we believe. Laura is not getting out.
Think I'll ever kiss me again?
My wife attempted suicide. I have to see it. 2 minutes, please.
I don't think I can last another 20 years.
I promise you, this will not be your life. What do you want to know? How you escaped when no one else could.
The prison in the world is airtight. You have to have the entire plan already in place. You have to ask yourself, can you kill a god? Leave your kid at a gas station? Because to do this, that's who you have to become. And if you can't, don't start. You'll just get someone killed.
Show me where the bullets go. Need some passports.
You want this too much. You're gonna screw it up.
I'll be back in a moment, okay?
Okay. Why are you doing this?
Because we have no other choice.
The police can have the center of the city sealed tight in 15 minutes. Within 35 minutes, they can have cops at every toll booth on the interstate.
Stop that train!
Hold on.
What if you can't get out?
Then surrender, because they will shoot you on sight.
DVD and digital download all in one. Find previous actor appointment on just much pictures of America.
Lincoln's been shot.
One bullet may have killed our beloved president, but not one man.
We're charged with having received, entertained, harbored, aided, and assisted John Wilkes Booth, John H. Surratt, and their confederates in traitorous and murderous conspiracy to kill Abraham Lincoln, Vice President Andrew Johnson, and Secretary of State William Seward. How do you plead?
I am innocent.
You aware the trial of the conspirators begins today? What are we to do? Defend one of the eight. Her son John was released for a hand. You understand what you've been charged with? Found guilty, you could hang.
I am a southerner and a devoted mother, but I am no assassin.
Your son was the only one who got away.
These are despicable people, the same sort you risk your life fighting against.
Someone must be held accountable. People want that. The military trial of civilians is an atrocity. You know, what she did is an atrocity. To ensure the survival of this nation, I would do anything. You have to tell us who your son is.
Whose side are you on?
Trying to defend you.
They're trying to save you.
Were there ever meetings held at the boarding house? Many and always in secret.
You lie. My mother is innocent.
I can't know what's going on in that court.
Do you accept the rules? Make the judges. There's no limit to how far the prosecution is willing to go.
You tell John Surratt if he surrenders, his mother will be punished for his crimes.
Have you ever cared for something greater than yourself?
Our founding fathers drafted a constitution precisely for times like this. All in favor? Do not permit this injustice out of revenge.
Fable and Blu-ray digital DVD download.
Oh, Crash.
Get out! Give me a key!
Winner, Best Picture of the Year.
I just had a gun pointed in my face.
Crash, now in a 2-disc Director's Cut edition, loaded with extra features, deleted scenes with director's commentary, 3 featurettes.
The locations that we've chosen really help as another character to bring this story to life.
The special edition making of Behind the Metal and Glass, and more. You think you know who you are? You have no idea. Crash, 2-disc Director's Cut. Look for it on DVD.
The Lincoln Liar.